guys, welcome to the vlog. Today I am joined with Shelby as always in every vlog.
I know.
But today Shelby actually gave me the idea of doing a vlog because we are going shopping because I need some new room decor because my room is so ugly and I want to do a room tour soon. So I thought that we would do like a little shop with me video, and yeah, so we're going to the shopping center right now, so we will update you guys when we get there. So we just got to the shopping center and Shelby and I are at Snitz. We need to get some food in us before we can shop till we actually drop. Hey guys, so we are in Tyco now. So I've got a little basket and they are having like a massive sale right now. So I'm like literally like buying as much as I possibly can. To Target and we're just looking for, I don't even know what we're looking for honestly, we're just kind of
For a vase, aren't we?
Yes, those are so cute.
Hey, is that what you're talking about?
Oh yes guys, I found the clip frame thing that I've been looking for, but I don't know if I like the gold. That's really cute. Oh yeah guys, we got char time. It's really good because we're basic.
That's what I was going towards.
I really want like plants, but like greenery.
What about that? That's a vase. It's too big.
I would really like plants like this, like with a hanging look, because I can picture like a shelf above my bed if my wall was purple, and then like have this like on the edge where it's like hanging off. That would be above my bed. Like how cool would that be?
Yeah, it's cute. Oh, so bad. Why are we in the party section? I'm following you.
I don't know where I'm going.
Oh, do you want to go buy some toys?
Yes.
Sure, let's go have a look. Oh yeah, we're on a mission to try to find Bratz dolls. Say goodbye to the vlog.
I'll see you in the next shop. We've made it to a new shop, which is like basically a $2 home decor, room decor shop. So these are the flowers that we got. They're really cute. I'm glad we actually found purple flowers, but we don't have a vase
Yet.
for it because I'm very picky and I need the perfect vase.
Face. Vases. Vases. Oh, here we go. These are clear ones, they're cute. They're here.
Ooh. Violet.
I think they're ugly.
I'm gonna find the vase. Vase.
This is just gonna be a thing. This is just gonna be a thing
I know,
now,
I'm never gonna be able to know how I'm saying.
I know. Alright, we'll see you in the next shop. Oh my god, there. Try that. I actually really like that. Yeah.
How much is it? $12. Do you reckon like, yeah.
I like
it. I think it's cute, it's different.
Yeah.
So we're finished up at the shopping centre. We actually got quite a few things from there. And now we're just gonna go to Kmart because that's where all the good stuff is. And I wanna get like some wall decor and print off some pictures and stuff like that. And yeah, just getting the last few things, and I'm so excited to show you guys. Well, I won't really be showing you guys because you guys have to watch the room tour for that, which should be coming hopefully by the end of the month. So yeah, so we're gonna go to Kmart now and we will vlog when we get there. We're here! Kmart Adventures! Wait, where are we going to first? Print photos, yeah? What frame? Oh, that thing. Oh, and fairy lights. Oh yeah, Shelby, I'll get a pineapple. What is it? I didn't even notice. Oh my god, that's so cute.
The Cosmo. And the hood's not like.
Oh my god, I have to get this for Bella.
No, yeah, I'm just scared.
Oh, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Yep. Instead of getting home decor, I'm apparently getting dog food. I mean dog
food. I know you need to get
Dog
all these.
clothes. Yeah, I think I might get this. So we're at Kmart now. I'm like not talking as loud because I don't want people to see me vlogging because it's awkward. But I picked up a photo album. It's the same one that Shelby's got, and she's just printing out some photos if I can. And I just picked up some fairy lights for my room and some clips as well. These are really cute. And some photo frames, which I'm not going to show you guys because you guys will see it in my room tour. And yeah, so I'm going to find the wall grid decor thing after we print out the photos. And yeah, I'm like, I feel like I'm talking really quietly. I hope you guys can actually hear me. I know, oh, this is going to be really awkward. But yeah, also, oh, how cute is this little dog coat thing? It's a freaking unicorn. How cute is this? I can't wait to put Bella on it. She's gonna like hate me, but like it's so cute.
Yeah, I got something for my dog as well.
Yes, and Shelby got this for her dog.
You have had a very successful shopping trip.
Yep. I finally found the ball. I'm so happy. And my arms hurt so badly right now. We've got like a full-on trolley situation.
I know, right? We've got a massive paper clip that is too big. We're just waiting for our photos that are over there.
These are cute, but I don't want it to be colorful. I just want it to be like white or silver. But there's only rose gold and gold. And I think those two, well, black.
I know. We did get some good stuff though. It's a sneak peek. So what have we just done?
Shopped for things that are not room decor.
She may or may not have bought a Harry Potter book and what else?
13 reasons why shopping at Kmart is dangerous.
Because
For
you
your
walk,
bank.
yeah, because like you walk in expecting I was only going to do photos and I got photos and I got a little outfit for my dog.
And I came in here to get the wall grid and then look, I needed a trolley. I couldn't even hold anything. Like it was that bad. Hey guys, update. I am broke. No, but seriously, I actually am broke because Kmart does that to you. But I got everything that I needed to decorate my room, so I'm so excited to decorate it and then film a room tour for you guys. I'm not going to be doing a haul or anything. The lighting is so bad right now. I'm like so red. Anyways, I'm not going to be doing a haul or anything to show you guys what I got because I want to leave that as like a surprise for when you guys see the room tour. So yeah, I hope you guys aren't mad, but that video will soon be up, hopefully in a few weeks. But yeah, keep an eye out on that. So right now, Shelby's gonna drop me off at home because she has to go run for a dinner in like less than 45 minutes. So yeah, I thought that I would end the vlog here. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe so then you will be updated when I post the room tour video. And also go follow me on Instagram and follow Shelby on Instagram as well. I will have all the links in the description box. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I'm headed straight for the castle. They wanna make